It's LizzieKaren here, and I'm doing a bit of catching up. This is from a visit I made to the Colossi of Memnon on the earlier tour that I did with Cliff Dunning and Mohammed Ibrahim. And I've been very fortunate to have the most amazing tour guides while I've been in Egypt. So Mohammed Ibrahim and any XD, I couldn't ask for more amazing people to help me find what I'm looking for in Egypt. Anyway, so this was a stop that we made on my earlier tour, and since I've just done the episode on the Ramesseum, I promised another episode on the Colossi of Memnon. And it's hard to describe how big they are until you get there and you see them next to actual people. And they are really, really big. I understand that they were erected in the 1300s BCE, so that's a good 3,000 and probably 3,500 years ago. And then they were later destroyed, or at least damaged badly, by a series of earthquakes. One of them is still intact, mostly, and the other lost its top part and then got reconstructed by a Roman emperor by the name of Lucius Severus Septimus. Now that's a mouthful, isn't it? And it sounds very Harry Potter. But this Roman emperor was most memorable to me because he died in Yorkshire, where I come from originally. And he did a lot of amazing reconstruction work. So he was the one who was reported to have organized the reconstruction of one of these colossi. And he also did some reconstruction work in England on the Wall of Hadrian and other things. But most notably, he was a Roman emperor with black skin. And it's really annoying how often these famous people are whitewashed. It's rare to see his true color, but there are pictures of him that prove him to be African. And he achieved a lot in his lifetime. So one of the things, as I said, was to reconstruct one of the colossi. Now, prior to this reconstruction, what was left of this statue would sing. And it was thought that because of the porous nature of the stone, when the sun warmed up the stone, the water would create a sound, like a whistling sound, that created this singing sensation. And once the work was done on renovating it, the singing stopped. So that's it for me on the Colossi of Memnon. And I do recommend anyone to visit them because they really are awe-inspiring. And I will continue trying to catch up with all the episodes that I should have done sooner, but it's hard to do them all when there's so much material to work with. But I'll get there. I promise you I'll get through all this. And but I'll keep going with the ones that I'm current on, and then leave the ones that have slipped through the cracks until later. But I'll get through them all, and I'll catch you on the next episode.